Hello everyone. It's a settled Sunday for most of the country with sunshine and warmer weather expected for many places, especially for the central and western parts, and in particular towards the Atlantic coastline where berg winds are going to push temperatures well into the 30s for today. A cold front is moving away from the Eastern Cape where we expect partly cloudy weather for the coastline. Some places will be cloudy at times. There's also a small chance for a bit of light rain, and we'll take a closer look at that in just a moment. But first, the alert. And along with the berg winds along the west coast, there is a warning in place for a high fire danger for that coastline as well as the adjacent interior where runaway fires will be possible for the remainder of the day. Let's look at your rainfall map for this afternoon and this evening, and we see it's going to be dry for most of the country, but much later on a bit of moisture moves in along parts of the wild coast and towards the southern coastline of KZN. There is a very small chance for light rain or drizzle in that area, mostly into tonight. Temperatures in the northern parts remaining warm once again, 30 degrees for Vryburg in the northwest, while we're going to have a high of 24 for Polokwane. Not too bad for the Free State, the KZN interior as well as the Eastern Cape, with most places getting above the 20-degree mark. And it's going to be a mild day towards the east coast along with light winds. Swells won't be too bad either for Durban with a height of about 2 meters. The southern interior will be especially warm this afternoon, 26 for Beaufort West and Graaff-Reinet, and very hot as you head further westwards, Vredendal with the maximum of 35 degrees. Easterly winds expected for all of the south coast of the country, fresh at times for Cape Agulhas. High tide this afternoon at close to 2:30. Let's take a look at the Northern Cape, where it's going to be a warm afternoon all across the area, Sutherland reaching the mid-20s, while Uppington gets above the 30-degree mark. Even hotter towards the coastline, Alexander Bay experiencing berg winds getting up to 35 degrees, and it's going to be a lovely day for Table Bay, a high of 28 degrees along with light winds in your area. A look at tomorrow's weather conditions, and it's going to be a sunny and dry start to the work week for just about all of South Africa, and the berg winds are going to spread towards the southern parts, pushing temperatures near the coastline into the mid-30s. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday.